Aspen Trail, limited edition, 21RD by Dutchmen RV.
Oh man, what's that RD stand for, Larry?
You know, I'm always confused by these things.
Yeah, me too.
But I believe this one is a rear dinette.
Oh, all right.
And it's 21RD.
Okay.
But it's actually 26 foot from tongue to bumper.
Okay.
Just for those customers that have to get it behind their house or get it in the fence area.
Okay.
This is a perfect weekend warrior camper.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, even these are amazing.
Okay.
They actually have electric stabilizers.
On this unit.
You can put them down faster than you going to get your drill, get the bit, and put them down that way.
Look at that, buddy.
So, electric stabilizers.
Yeah.
Electric tongue jack.
Okay.
That's going to be your best friend. Everybody knows that. And I'm sick of doing hand cranking stuff. So
you got the old back savers on here.
There you go.
I like it.
You also have this electric awning.
That's a big awning, Larry.
And I tell you what, put 2 lawn chairs out here.
Yeah.
Get your little table, get your little barbecue pit going.
Okay.
Man, you're set.
Oh, you get me hungry.
And look at the size of this pass-through. I mean, that is pretty decent size.
Oh yeah, that goes all the way through. Look at
a lot bigger than mine.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
And
Larry.
it's actually set up for solar. It doesn't have solar on it. But if you want to add it, you can.
That's a really nice feature. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice.
You want to go inside now?
Yeah, let's check this out.
All right, Frank.
And this is a 24 model, Larry?
It is a 2024.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Wow.
And you should see the price we're asking for.
All right, let's check it out.
First thing, if you notice, this is a 60 by 80 queen size bed.
Yep.
And you know, I always hear this about these mattresses, but on their defense, at your house, you got box springs.
Right.
Here, you got a piece of plywood.
You sure do.
It makes a difference. I do a 2-inch mattress topper on mine.
Okay.
Just to make it bearable. But hey, I'm a weekend warrior.
Right.
You come, you go, you're good.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
You got 2 wardrobes above.
Oh, that's nice with the mirrors. I like that.
Right. But what I like is that the wardrobes don't go all the way down.
Right.
So you have a landing space for your phone, cell phone.
Oh yeah, on both sides.
Machine.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now, this is where...
All right, what we got?
It's a little tight. There's no slides in this one.
Okay.
But hey, you're a weekend warrior
though, you know, for no slides.
Nice farm style sink.
Okay.
Got a light above the sink so you can see what you're doing.
Yep. Oh, I know what that is.
This actually is a Bluetooth speaker you could use outside.
And that comes with it?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
Little popcorn microwave.
Sure.
Your stove.
Okay.
Oven.
Yep.
I don't know about you. I'm not going to be using that oven for anything.
No, storage.
99% of our customers, pots and pans maybe.
Yeah, that's what it is. 3-burner stove, where?
3-burner stove top.
Okay.
And then you can actually get the glass back. Becomes your backsplash.
Very nice, very nice. Like that.
But for such a small unit,
I
have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator.
I like that color.
And it is nice.
What's that, like a graphite?
Or a black stainless steel or something
pretty,
like that?
Yeah, very pretty.
But that's a pretty nice size.
Yeah, that actually is a very good size for this unit.
And check out your pantry space. It's kind of hard to open. They got the magnets working.
Yeah. That's good. So they don't fly over going down the road.
Now,
so this the rear dinette you talking about?
Rear dinette.
Okay.
The boot dinette. Simple.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing to it, but you can break it down into another bed. So this actually sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe.
Okay.
5, 6 maybe.
You know what I like, Larry? The windows back here too.
I like this back window. We're a service area right there. So.
No, right. But that's nice when you're camping. You got a view pretty much everywhere sitting back here.
Your campsite.
Yeah, that's nice.
Plus you got that long window up front.
Yeah. Yeah, this is very nice.
And that allows more natural light to come in as well.
Right.
This here is a jackknife.
Okay.
Basically like a futon.
Sure.
But
one hand.
One adult. You can sleep on this. One adult on here.
Very good.
2 adults up there. Perfect couple unit. All right. So, as I was saying, this is a 26-foot trailer.
Okay.
4,300 pounds.
Is that what it is?
Dry weight.
Here it is, right here in black and white. And what are we asking for this thing?
Oh my gosh.
$26,268. Oh
Off
my
an MSRP
goodness.
of close to 37.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
great.
amazing.
2024, Larry.
2024.
Larry, what is this on the wall right here?
Well, I tell you what. They're all starting to come out with these.
Yeah.
Water heater on demand.
Oh man.
No more running out of hot water.
Oh, that's nice.
That
Larry.
means you and your wife can take a shower without running out of cold
And
water.
I'm not going to get cold.
That's it.
All right.
I know she would, but you would.
What we got here?
This is the bathroom.
All right.
Now, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's a little tight,
Okay.
but on this unit,
Hey, there's no slide outs, man.
right. But I'm not going to pull the seat up, but
Yeah.
you got enough space in
All right.
here.
Yeah, you're good.
Little shower.
Well, what I like to shower in the toilet in the shower. You know, when they're this small, sometimes
Oh.
they put them in there.
They got
This has your separate.
right.
So that's super nice. And that's a tall shower.
It is.
I mean,
Now I'm 5'7". I used to say 5'7.5", but
are you shrinking a little bit on me?
I'm shrinking.
All right.
But I still got a good amount of height
No,
in
that's
here.
good. Yeah, so
Yeah.
somebody 6'2", 6'3", easy.
Easy.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Very good.
Well, I tell you what. If you like this unit, like any other unit that we have on our website, please come by and see myself, Larry, or Frank. We'll be able to hook you up, get you camping.
Larry, tell them what we got going on this month, too.
Oh my God.
Let them know.
November is Giving Month. So we have the Food Bank of Southeastern Virginia.
Yep.
We have Currituck Animal Shelter coming up, so adopt a pet.
Oh,
you
yeah.
buy a camper, we'll pay your adoption fees.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Veterans Day coming up, we have a free winterization.
Okay.
Call, look on our Facebook page.
Yep.
It says call November 10th, and we'll take reservations for you to
Okay.
come up, bring your camper up to winterize. But limited space though, so we only have a few.
Yeah, so make sure you reserve it.
There you go.
Okay.
And then we have something special going on, but we can't quite
Okay.
let everybody know
All
about
right.
that.
All right,
But
you hold on to that one.
it's very special to
All right.
us.
They just need to stay updated and check our website.
There you go.
All right, perfect.
Perfect.
All right, well, you guys come see me and Larry, and we'll take good care of you. Thanks, Larry.
Right on.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.